guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights, and here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And here you'll also find many other viral stickers, so you can check these too if you want. Like this one, for example, or this one, or this one. So there we have it. Click on the Add Yours button, and if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, once I will do this story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial which will help you solve your problem. So make sure to wait for that. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose 4 photos, 4 of your favorite photos from 2021. First I will go with this photo. You have to make it smaller by using your 2 fingers and then place it in the left top corner. After that, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen to add the second photo. You have to scroll down and click on this plus icon. And now you have to choose your second favorite photo. So from here you have to do the same thing. You have to make it smaller by using your 2 fingers and then place it where you want. And don't forget to click on the sticker to appear on the top. Now once again you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and choose your third photo. I will go with this one. Place it where you want. After that, go again to stickers and choose your last photo. Then place your sticker where you want and make it bigger or smaller. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now guys, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, what can you do? From my Instagram page, you have to go to Super Viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.